Hey, here we go. Medina Lake, spring break. Got lots of people out here. Water's a little low, but it's a kick-ass time here at Medina Lake. A whole bunch of people out here. Well, that's enough about showing a little bit of Medina. Now we're on the lake, almost to where a spot we call Port Benny, right over there. Of course, my little Cayman. Hi, Cayman. All right, everybody. Spring break. Just wanted to show you. That's where the park is. Everyone enjoying Medina Lake. Well, I'll get back with y'all as soon as I hit over there. What's called new named Port Benny. Here we go. Alright, y'all. We made it to Port Benny. This is a real cool spot. It's a nice little spot right here we call Port Benny. If you look across the lake, you can see way over there is Medina Lake Park. But for right now, we're looking over here. Take a look. This is where we used to park our kayaks. This is what we call Port Benny. It's a real special place of mine. Maybe later in the seasons we'll be able to tell you what's so special about this place, but for right now you can just say, I love it. Alright, y'all. There's my Cayman, as we'll be calling this Cayman episodes. Everyone else enjoying the lake? Well, just wanted to give you a little show of the lake. Made it out here. Probably head back soon. Alright, well, what's up? Spring break. Alright. Meet back at the park. Here we go.